Hi, I'm Todd Cooperrider with Esoteric. Welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question, how should I care for my esoteric sponge? Very good question. With sponges, with any kind of wash media, you want to make sure that you take good care of it because this is one of the few things that's going to be touching the surface of your car. If you don't take care of it right, A, you can scratch up the finish on your car, B, your sponge is going to wear out a little bit faster. Now, first, let me step back a little bit. For those of you who might not be familiar with this product, you say, hey, Todd, what's the deal? I thought I've heard sponges are bad for your cars. Most sponges are bad for your cars. We found these out of Japan, softest material that we've ever felt. And if you look at a lot of the reviews on this product, you'll find that everybody feels the same way about them as we do. But if you don't take care of these right, once again, they can either wear out quickly or they can potentially scratch the surface of your car. So a couple simple steps to make sure that these are taken care of well and last a long time. First of all, the biggest thing, don't make the mistake after you're done washing of just keeping it in the bucket and it sits there forever. When you're done with the wash process, you want to make sure and completely wash this out. What's the best thing to wash it with? Use a little bit of the shampoo that you're using to wash your car. I like to take these by hand in the sink. I'll put a little soap in it. First, I go in, completely rinse everything out, agitate it, or what you can do too is you can take the grit guard out of your bucket, put it in the sink, and kind of work it to try to get any of the debris that might be left over in it. Then go in, rinse it some more, put some of your automotive shampoo in it. Make sure it's not something that has any kind of SiO2 or waxes or whatever. You just want a straight shampoo. You don't want anything sticking to it. But wash it under warm or hot water and keep wringing everything out until it comes out clear. You inspect it, you don't see anything wrong with it. Then I'll squeeze out all of the water, put it on a rack, allow it to air dry. Once it's dry, then you can put it back in the cabinet in your garage or someplace where dust, dirt, and debris can't get on it. You follow those simple steps and this is going to last you a long time. Keep in mind a sponge or a wash mitt, it's a wearable item. Over time, it's going to wear down. You're going to need to replace it, but by taking care of it properly, it's going to last you longer and it is going to take care of your car. You want to learn more about this sponge in particular, click on the next video. We go into some more details about the sponge itself, how we found it, and why we think it is the greatest wash media ever invented.